Welcome friends in today's session of Thursday Tips from 𝐤𝐸 Every Thursday at 12 p.m. CST we are live on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and YouTube. I'm Abhishek Gandhi, a CPA and a tax director at 𝐤𝐸. I have over 20 years of experience in US tax industry. Every week I bring a fascinating topic and provide insights on it. My tips are based on detailed research carried by our team of collective efforts of our team of professionals at 𝐤𝐸. We are pleased to share our knowledge with you and encourage you to spread a word among your friends and family to take advantage of this opportunity. Well, so let's start today's discussion. Today I have brought a relatively new but very important topic: harnessing the power of green energy. By the end of this session, you will know about many tax credit and incentives that you would like to claim in your next tax return. In today's environmentally conscious world, there is a growing emphasis on sustainable living and reducing our carbon footprint. Fortunately, with the world, United States government also has recognized the importance of these goals and has implemented various tax credit and incentives to encourage individuals and businesses to invest in green energy solutions. Let's dive into the specifics of these incentives and explore how they can benefit you when you file your tax return. We will start with energy efficient home improvements. So we do our home improvements, but what are those home improvements that will make our that will give us some kind of tax benefit? Making your home efficient not only helps the environment but also translate to significant savings on your utility bills. The government has introduced several tax credits to motivate homeowners to embrace eco-friendly upgrades. One such incentive is energy efficient home improvement credit, and previously known as the non-business energy property credit. This credit has undergone significant enhancement with the Inflation Reduction Act of 2022. Now you can claim up to 30% of the cost of qualifying energy efficient improvements, a substantial increase from the previously 10%. Earlier it was 10%, now it is 30%. This credit is available through 2032, providing ample time to reap these benefits. So claim this credit. To claim this credit, you have to complete Form 5695 and provide manufacturer's certification statements for qualifying purchase. Remember, there is a limit of 600 per qualifying item with a maximum annual credit of $1,200 per taxpayer. So for even more substantial savings, consider the residential energy efficient property credit. This credit offers a generous 30% tax credit on the qualified expenses, qualified energy efficient expenses that include solar panel, solar water heaters, wind turbines, and geothermal heat pumps. This credit also extends through 2032, but will gradually phase down thereafter. So after 2032, it will slowly go down, may not be 30%, it will go down to maybe 25%, 30%, 20%, we will see, right? Next is electric vehicles. Driving towards a greener future, many of us drive Tesla or any or other electric vehicles. and it is very convenient, right? When when I bought an electric car for my dad, he was mesmerized. He was like, so now I don't have to go to gas station, or I don't have to go for oil change, and like he was surprised. This was more like 5 years ago, but now it's no surprise. In the last few years, the transition to electric vehicles is gaining momentum, and the government is eager to accelerate this shift. The federal EV credit offers a significant incentive to purchase qualifying electric or plug-in hybrid vehicles. The credit amount ranges from $4,000 to $7,500, depending on factors like vehicle size, battery capacity, and whether it is new or used. A notable change in 2024 is the option to transfer the tax credit to an eligible dealership, allowing for an immediate point of sale discount. However, to qualify for the credit, the vehicle must be assembled in North America, and your income must fall below certain threshold. It is important to note that the IRS allows you to use your modified adjusted gross income, we know as a MAGI. MAGI is like modified adjusted gross income. This is from either the year of delivery or the previous year. This flexibility can be advantageous if you fall under income, or if your income exceeded the threshold in one year but not the other. Right? Our income changes. Like last year somebody made 300,000 and this year maybe 250,000. So it's a benefit for them, correct? Or over 300,000 and under 300,000. Let me put it this way. Okay. So that is very important. When we talk about green energy and we don't talk about solar energy, how is that possible? Harnessing the sun power by installing a solar panel, that's what we are going to talk about. Solar energy is a clean and renewable resource that offers substantial long-term savings. The government recognizes its potential and provides a powerful incentive through the investment credit program that we know as a ITC. This credit allows you to deduct a generous 30% of the cost of installing a solar energy system from your federal taxes. So again, it's very generous. The 30% rate is extended through 2032. Again, 2032. So providing long-term certainty for solar investment. Let me little bit emphasize on this. When you spend 20K on solar panel, right? If we spend like $20,000, which is like normal average cost to install solar panels, that you get a tax credit of $600,000. This is really generous. But why are they so generous? That is not the IRS that we know of, right? Our Congress brought a big legislative changes, and the road ahead is going to benefit all of us, entire world. Recently, I mean, not very recently, but in 2022 again, the Inflation Reduction Act of 2022 was passed in Assembly. That has been game changer for green energy incentives, extended and increasing credit for solar installation, electric vehicles, and other clean energy technologies. This legislation demonstrates a strong commitment to combating climate change and fostering a sustainable future. Additionally, many states and local government offer their own incentives to encourage the adoption of green energy. For example, California. If you live in California, you must be aware of this. So, in so many other states also. So you have to do some research. You have to go to your local county or local state government and find out if there are more credits available for you. This can include tax rebates, cash bonuses, or property tax exemption even. So, in conclusion, we have explored a range of tax credits and incentives designed to encourage the adoption of green energy solutions. From energy efficient home improvements to electric vehicle purchase, the government offers substantial financial rewards for making eco-friendly choices. This incentives not only helps you save money but also contribute to a healthier planet. As a responsible citizen, by taking this advantage of these opportunities, you are not only reducing your carbon footprint, you are also making a smart financial investment. By taking advantage of green energy tax credits and incentives, you can make positive impact on both on your wallet and the planet. Remember this. So every step towards a green lifestyle, big or small, it doesn't matter, but that contributes to a healthier planet for us and future generation. Let's harness the power of green energy together. Once again, the landscape of tax incentive is constantly evolving, so it is essential to stay informed about the latest updates. Always remember, stay tuned with us. Consulting with a tax professional can help you navigating the complexity and maximize your savings. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation has been informative. To further clarify any points, please feel free to ask any question you may have. We may have few more minutes, so we can answer all your questions. No, if you spend $20,000, Srinivas, if you spend $20,000, then you will get 30%. Yes, because that is considered as a solar energy and it's not a home improvement. So that those two are different. Any other question? Thank you. Thank you, Srinivas. Do you see any other questions, or I think we are... So thank you, viewers. If if you don't have any question at this point in time, that is okay. We are always available. We have a presence on social media. Also, we have a WhatsApp group and our website. So anytime, if you have any questions, please contact us. We will be happy to help you and share our knowledge. Thank you. Thank you once again. Bye.